Dol Al-Haj Abdul Sareko, and we are very, very deeply in sorrow today, and we are here to be with Honorable Sareko for the loss he is. He has lost a father, we have also lost a father, but he has left a very good leader with us. Thank you very much.
How was your relationship with
Honorable Sareko has been with me for the last 15 years, whenever I have come from, and he has been guiding me how to do work here. He has been my guidance. He has been taking me through how to be in Uganda, to do work. He has shown me the way how the people behave, and he's a very, very good friend. Yeah.
have you been friends with the deceased?
Yes, I have met him a couple of times. He has given me lots of good advice. He's a true leader. He had got a vision, and he left it with Honorable Sareko. I know.
Oh, yes. For how long have you been here?
I've been here for the last 12 to 15 years now.